Hi, math enthusiast. I would like to invite you to join us and be a member of Ideology Community. If you become a member, you will help Ideology YouTube channel to make more math videos and to ease logistics expenses. See you all in Ideology Community and get this beautiful Ideology Fun badge and be a member according to your interest as a bronze member, a silver member, or a gold member. We love to see you in Ideology Community. Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to study opening GeoGebra files. We are going to study three topics. The first one is to open a new GeoGebra window, and that is simply to click GeoGebra icon. The second is open a blank GeoGebra interface within the same window. We're going to click the menu and then we will look for the file new. The third topic is to open an already existing GeoGebra file. In this case, we will click the menu and we will look for the option File Open and click it. Let's begin with this first topic, open a new GeoGebra window. The instruction is to click GeoGebra icon. In your desktop, this is our GeoGebra icon. Double click it, and after that you will be directed to a GeoGebra window that looks exactly like this. So from here you can now start your activity. You can input some equations here and it will show the graph and some other activities. This window is what we call GeoGebra User Interface. This is the second topic. Open a blank GeoGebra interface within the same window. And that is, we will click the menu icon and we will look for the file new and click it. It means to say, while you are working on an activity in an interface and you wish to open a blank GeoGebra interface, we will look for the menu icon and it looks like three parallel lines that is located in here. You click this and you will see a scroll down options, and from here look for that file new option and it is here. Click that one and you will have a new GeoGebra interface where you can now start to work on your activity. This is the third topic, and that is how to open an already existing GeoGebra file. First is to go to menu and then look for the file open and click that one. So it means to say you are currently in a GeoGebra window and you want to open an already existing GeoGebra file. Click the menu icon scroll down options will show, and then look for the File Open option, and it is here. Click it and you will be directed to a page that looks like this, where all your files are stored. You can see here that your files and others' files are here. It is showing also the file names and the respective authors of the different files. For presentation purposes, I have here 3 existing GeoGebra files. File names are on top, and my name is below the files. Suppose I want to open this circle with radius 5. I'm going to double click this one, and I will be directed to my file, and it's now here. By the way, to open an already existing GeoGebra file, these are the general steps. Of course, in the beginning, we should click the menu, and then we will choose the File Open button. And the general steps are here. The first is navigate through the folder structure in the appearing window. The second step, select a GeoGebra file with the extension that is .ggb and click it to open. Now, there is a hint that if you did not save the existing construction yet, GeoGebra will ask you to do so before the blank screen or new file is opened. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.